Welcome to
Yummy Planet.
I'm Yummy Shanny, the host and the Chinese food vlogger.
I'm Yummy Mathias, the Chinese food eater and guest.
Oh! Mathias is from Norway, and last time we met was in winter.
Yes, very boo-how, very cold.
Yes, the temperature was minus 17 degrees.
Here it is.
And now it's summertime.
好天气.
Yes, 好天气. And ride 8. Oh, cool. Much better. And today we will celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival together.
加油!
And we will take a city ride and city walk through streets of Beijing, and we will find different elements of the Dragon Boat Festival.
It's going to be very tight.
Yes, let's go! Yeah, Mathias, I have a gift for you.
Whoa! Amazing.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful 5 color threads. Ta-da!
Da-da.
Wearing on your wrist, and it can protect you and to repel the diseases and evil things. And you remember, and in the first rainy day after the Dragon Boat Festival, you have to throw it in the water.
Okay.
And the diseases and bad things will go
Amazing.
away. Yes.
Amazing.
During the Dragon Boat Festival, and except this kind of a 5 color silk spread, and we also make the perfume pouch.
To feel sexy.
No, it's not to feel sexy.
Why do we do perfume if not to feel sexy? Explain.
The parents need to dress their children up with the perfume pouch. It's related to health.
Okay.
In the perfume pouch, there are some Chinese herbal medicines and can keep you healthy and can help you to sleep well. Do you need that?
I sleep perfect, but especially in Chinese beds. Chinese beds are so hard, so this is much better for me. Sleep 8 hours, like a baby.
But you can experience how to make that.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. Here at the store. Hello.
Lishi Chongguaran. Well, Bushi Chongguaran. Bushi Norwegian.
Look at these beautiful little bags and choose your favorite one. I will choose this. Different functions. Sleep well, keep the mosquitoes and insects away, and refresh yourself, relieve stress. Which one do you want?
I want mosquito repellent.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a leaf of mugwort and mint. Oh, okay. How do you feel about this?
I feel it's going to keep the mosquitoes away.
Ta-da! And now you know the Chinese perfume pouch is not related to sexy.
It feels quite sexy to me. The good stuff, the Chinese mosquito repellent.
And let's go to the next stop.
1, 2, 3, race!
Let's go! Ah! Wait for me! Hey! Mathias! Stop! Wait for me! It's the wrong way! You have to stop and wait for me! Yeah. That way, and slow down and follow me, okay? Finally. These are the rice dumplings, just like the pyramid, right? Yes, it's a typical food during the Dragon Boat Festival, known as Duanwu Festival.
Yeah, what was the inside you said?
A red bean paste.
Red bean paste.
Sweet.
Perfect. Red bean paste and dates. Perfect. Let's do it.
Okay. 4个这个，4个那个，28个。These are all decorations about the Dragon Boat Festival. 端午安康，端午 is the Chinese name of the Dragon Boat Festival.
Duanwu, yeah.
Yes, and An is safe. peace. Kang is healthy. Wish you peace and healthy in the Dragon Boat Festival. And people use the leaves to make sticky rice dumplings. And let's buy some pastries. Here is the pastry store.
Ooh. The edema. Yeah.
Oh, yes, I'm very hungry now.
How do you say pastry in Chinese?
点心.
You like dianxin?
Yes, very much. Look at this one. It's very cute. It's a Dragon Boat Festival special. Look at these. So pretty. Which do you want to try?
Which one do you like?
Everyone.
Everyone. Which is the best?
Everyone.
这是我们今天买的各种的点心。
Welcome back to Yummy Planet. Now me and Shanny are gonna have a little taste test here of these lovely goodies. What's the name of these goodies?
Sticky rice dumplings.
Stinky rice dumplings. Are they stinky?
No, not stinky rice dumplings. It's sticky rice.
Now we're gonna start with the pork, I think. Where's the pork?
No. It's egg yolk inside.
Egg yolk.
Yes, it's salty egg yolk inside.
It's okay, not too bad. Typical Beijing. Or?
No. The savory sticky rice dumplings are come from the south part of China. And in north, we usually eat the sweet ones.
Okay.
Such as with the red bean paste.
Sticky rice number 2. Let's have a look. Also much similar. I think it tastes almost exactly the same as the first one.
Oh, you have to try this. Eat the dead part, this one.
Sticky rice number 3 going in for a taste test. It tastes like dates.
Yeah. And this one, pork inside.
I think sticky rice is okay. You said it comes from the south?
Yeah. South part, north part. You know, there's always a debate during the Dragon Boat Festival because of the flavors of the sticky rice dumpling. Which one do you prefer?
I think probably this one. If I could eat more of this than this. So let's try the pastries.
Pastry.
Very good. This is pork.
Pork dumpling. It's great.
Very good. We need more of this one. We should run and get more of this. This is very
Good
good.
choice, good choice. You choose this.
I like pork. How do you say pork in Chinese?
猪肉.
猪肉.
干杯. It's good. I think it's better than sticky rice dumplings for me. In many places of China has dragon boat races. The dragon boat races just like the Oxford and Harvard boat races. Yes, on the river.
Okay.
But the form of the boat are in the dragon form.
Ah.
Yeah.
I would like to race a dragon boat. Put me in the dragon boat and I'll race as fast as I can. I'll make you fly. Fly like a dragon.
Just like you riding a bike.
Just like me riding a bike. The dragon.
Oh, it's terrible.
The dragon
to
rider.
catch you. Yes. And it's all for today. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. I'm Yummy Shanny, and this is Mathias. And very happy to have you here today. Yes, and happy Dragon Boat Festival. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Oh.